What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a blessed day out there. So I want to say this video is kind of a rarity, mainly because I don't really get early shoes to review, but I might have to start looking into being able to bring you guys more early reviews. And it's kind of cool just being ahead of the crowd and getting the shoes early, and maybe even rocking them a few times before they even drop on the release day. But so basically, I was able to get my hands on a pair of Jordan Bred 4s. Now these shoes have dropped already. I would say more so of a shock drop, not an official release. They have released on the sneakers app about, I want to say maybe 2 or 3 times up until this point. And so basically, I got these at the Jordan Brand Classic. So basically, the Jordan Brand Classic is an event where they invite all the top high school players to come and play in like an all-star game. And a lot of these players have already committed to top colleges and whatnot. So basically, at the event, of course, a Jordan Brand event, you're thinking that they're gonna drop some type of Jordan. And there was a lot of speculation that the Travis Scott ones were supposed to be dropping the night before Travis Scott gifted all the players on both teams Travis Scott ones, which is a big deal. So a lot of people were hoping that those were gonna drop, which didn't happen. So the Jordan Brand 4s did drop. They were early access through the sneakers app. You have to reserve them through the app. And initially I struck out on them because when I went to try to reserve them, I had to update the app. By the time I got back to the app, they were sold out. But something told me to go to the reservation table, and I found out that they were doing first come, first serve. So that's how I was able to secure my pair. And so here we have it right here, the Jordan Bred 4s. And here's the roster of a lot of the top players. And it was a pretty good game. I don't really follow high school basketball like that. Every now and then, like, a player might stick out, but it has to be like somebody like Zion or something. But this dude named Cole Anthony, that dude is pretty nice. I think he committed to UNC. So we have the traditional Jordan Flight box, and we have a size 9. This is my first time actually. I want to say this is probably my first time actually owning a pair of 4s. I've wanted this colorway for a while now, but I wanted them with the original OG form. These did drop in 2012, but those had the Jumpman on them. So I passed on those to grab these. So I'm not quite sure how these fit. These might fit a little bit tight. They might fit right. But I got a size 9, so we're going to see how that works. Retail was $200 on them. And of course, we have the traditional black, white, and red, cement gray colorway. I don't know why people call these Jordan 4 cements. These are Jordan Bred 4s. So these came with some type of pouch thing. I didn't open it up yet. I wanted to open it up on camera for you guys. On the back, it says Jordan Brand Classic on it. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got here. Wow. It's it's candy. Bruh. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be something special. Okay. And this candy I don't even like. Got the M&Ms with no nuts in them. All right, moving on to the shoes. Oh yeah. That's what y'all came for right here. The Jordan Bred 4s. Look at that. This is the main reason right here. This is what we all want. That Nike Air on the tab. That traditional hang tag right there. Dope shoe, man. Dope shoe. I've been wanting this shoe for a while now. I want to say this is the best Jordan 4 colorway. A lot of you already know that the Bred colorway is my favorite colorway, but I just feel like, man, I feel like Jordan really lucked out on being on the Chicago Bulls, because this is like a colorway you can't really go wrong with. And I feel like this whole color, like this colorway, you could put it on any Jordan and it still pop. Even though I kind of like Jordans up until Jordan 14s. After that, don't really mess with them, but if you throw this colorway on pretty much any shoe, this shoe is gonna pop. This shoe originally released in 1989, and it became most iconic when Jordan wore it in the playoffs against the Cavaliers, where he hit the fadeaway shot to win the game. I know you guys have already seen reviews on them. I'm not really gonna give you guys a review, but like I said, this is my first time having this pair. And also the suede, or this is actually nubuck. The nubuck is actually soft on these. I know years prior they were kind of stiff. Hopefully it doesn't crease bad, but man, nothing like a fresh pair of Jordans. But yeah, I'm gonna do it on foot of these, show you guys how they look on foot. And I might actually wear these the next couple of days before everybody else start wearing them. But yeah, man, just wanted to give you guys a quick look at these. I know a lot of people, even though a lot of people still missed out on them, a good amount of people did get them early. So I don't know, I might be going for a double up. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, this is definitely a shoe. If you call yourself a sneakerhead, this is definitely a shoe that I suggest that you pick up. And I don't even see how you could pass on it, because this is amazing. And it's OG colorway, OG form. They don't really drop this every next release. They might put the Jordan Jumpman back on the back. So if you're thinking about grabbing them, definitely grab them. I already know these are gonna sell out, even though on the locator map for Foot Locker and Foot Action Champs, the map is pretty flooded, but I wouldn't take the chance. I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell out. So yeah, grab you a pair, don't think about it. But yeah, that's about it for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an on foot. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, click on the subscribe button down below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.